Blay P. Baro Shakatuk Khubor Jangi Kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngikilong. Mi Jindat Kidukot Kalyang Persha na ying dorbar ba Sha Yatai Ulampang Yaging Dawa Sospon Yakipulit. Empat lap kipulit yung nong penbut nan Yagajala Lengba Kilat Bathai Jingtip social media. Dakasur Kabriu Nyotrep Yatali Kisur Nakaleng Bandawa Sospon Yakipulit Baset Yap Yu Bache. But do room class the expangwat ki kena pulih Jainta Hills, kendo joint director but DSEO ke JSU Education Cell. But mentangin pas ki khubor bakam benya. Kidkhot Kalyang Persha jong ka Congress mentakasngi klami no jendat na kiying dorbar kum kajing Persha ye kajing kentat jong lampang kaying dorbar uba met ba lingdo ban pediang ye kajing itainia halor kajing dawa ban sospon ya ki pulit bedon kti ha kajing peniap yu khot barim jong ka Nyotrep National Liberation Council uba si thank you
to generate the momentum of development and growth and to ensure that momentum of development and growth restore peace and try to sustain peace. Today, unfortunately, all those hard work to restore peace and sustain peace, you have seen what is the prevailing situation across the state, whether it is in the state capital, whether it is in the district capitals, or whether it is in other parts of the state. The sense of insecurity prevailing, the whole instances of lawlessness, again, appearing in the state, threatening the hard-earned peace, which should have been sustained with a committed effort of the government. The irony is that the government of the day today did not have the priority set to address this most important concern, which revolves around the larger interests of the people, larger interests of the state. And today, as the opposition wanted, the response of the government and the correct stand of the government in order to instill confidence and trust among the citizens of the state. We found that the government was completely trying to stonewall such discussion, prevent such discussion in the August House. You will appreciate the fact that in our vibrant democracy, when we are in session, it is the best platform where the elected representatives are able to articulate the concerns of the people, the issues which is confronting our people on a daily basis, the issues which pose challenges towards our collective intent of joining hands in the whole story of progress and growth of the state. But as you saw today, as you witness, that the government is completely insensitive. They are probably not concerned about the need to understand the ground.
Kipulit ke Meghalaya haduk menta kimpat lap yu wiki de unong pensapriang ye ki khubor pen isi jat pen reu Meghalaya lingba kilat pathai khubor jing start menta nakalyang ujoj bi lingdo ulapan ke jing pen shai halor ke jing suki trekam ke tanak pulit ban kem yu wiki de halor ke jing pen priang khana thok ban kinshot bat pen shit ye ki we pat ki bar jalla ke lengkari da ke babu ye ke jing em ki breu ke jalla jungi ha ke jing ma Shushu ba George Ulong bakani ke jing ken sting jo katanak pulit ka I min sim yu bar jalla ban ken kayiki namar lashis nem hadin ke jing ujor ejhar persha yu ni bar jalla katanak pulit kam shim lala ban but din nele yu halor ke ni ba George Ulai thu ba ke jing le ki pulit ke pelong ki pat ba bandu ke jing shanya bat ban ye nujor katanak pulit jong ke jalla ba jong ke Nagaland bat Arunachal Pradesh ke belapin sange shisendon yakum ke ni ke ju ke jing ja ha social media
about the inaction on an FIR that has been filed for nearly a year. Inaction on the behalf of the police department, sir. They seem to have given this Vicky Day a free hand and allowed him to spew venom and spread canards about our state and our citizens. So this inaction for the past 1 year has therefore encouraged this Vicky Day to spread even more videos. So, this inaction of the state police has led to people and citizens of the state drawing many conclusions. Number one, that our state police is incapable of responding to the challenges of hate crimes that have been committed against us as a state by people from other parts of the country and other parts of the world. So, people are comparing this inaction of the state police against the prompt and swift action of Nagaland police and Arunachal police when such videos are being circulated at the internet or in social media, sir. That's number one, sir. Number two, sir, our state police is being tagged as incompetent and laid back. People are saying that the police, they brag about their bravery only in Shillong city. But then when it comes to standing up to real challenges, when it comes to defend the name of our state police cannot muster that strength.
Habajubab yakajingya tainya balawan ra daw dukhat kaliang persha ka Congress uba George Pilingdo umintri rangba ulai thu bala ai jar persha yau te ubriu bat hapanaji police station Goa ulai thu ru bala pha jingtip shakajala West Bengal bat kiwe kijala ulo jing thokit ban laksai yau ni ba la kadaya chakman
/34 IPC was registered and investigated into. Mr. Speaker, sir, during the course of investigation of the above referred cases, a lookout notice was sent to Superintendent of Police North Goa, Panaji, and the Superintendent of Police South Goa, Margao, as the accused was suspected to be hiding somewhere in Goa. The Superintendent of Police North Goa and the Superintendent of Police South Goa informed that they could not trace the wanted accused person in their respective jurisdiction but are maintaining sharp lookout for him. Also, a lookout notice was issued to the Commissioner of Police, Lal Bazar Police Headquarters, Kolkata. But till date, there has been no reply from Kolkata Police. Further, the Special Superintendent of Police CID, Meghalaya, Shillong, has also sent a lookout notice to all the states in India, but there has been no reply from any state till date. Mr. Speaker, sir, since the accused is still absconding and evading police arrest, efforts are on to apprehend him at the earliest. Mr. Speaker, sir, both the cases mentioned above are still under investigation, and the State Police Department is committed to apprehend the named accused. While I was listening to the submissions of the Honourable Member, had casted doubt on the efficiency of the police personnel in the police department.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong ubalong Menteri Ketanat PWD ulai thu kaying dorbar thawan ke Meghalaya minta kasngi bo unkhot ikajing yalang jong Ketanat PWD PHE National Highway Authority of India bat Rangba shnong banweng ikajing shlei hakathan yong po. Habajubab ikajing pensngo jong udukot kaliang persha jong Congress uba Mirror Bonds aim uba tinsong uloong bakajing shlei kalong ru badon kitrai jaka kiba tre ban ai wat tang shi inchi ka jaka jong ki banchna nala.
At the outset, I am very thankful to the Honorable MLA from Nongpo, Mr. Mirror Bonds aim, who brought this zero notice relating to the Khasi newspaper, as already indicated by him. Sir, yes, this is a long recurring issues, I should say, where every time when rainy season starts, waterlogging keep happening in few portions of the Nongpo town, as well as some portion like Umling, Barihat, so on and so forth. Sir, just few clarification I would like to say here. As already mentioned by the Honourable Member from Nongpo, yes, an amount of about 6 crores plus was sanctioned by the Ministry of Road Transport through National Highway Authority of India. Because this road, I would like to again mention here, the portion right from Jorabad up to this Umyam, it is being looked after by Nahai. Then what happened was the stretches, as I've already told, where the sanction was accorded, work order has been issued. But I think even the Honorable MLA, I would like to request him, few stretches, contractor could not start the work due to land issue. We do have this land problem everywhere, be it PHE, be it PWD. I'm just telling you because the land tenure system that we have, as of now, it's so difficult for the government or even the elected representative to step in. We do have a very, very serious issue on this. So, see, like, let me just mention few portions. What happened was, number one, utility shifting, LHS, left-hand side and right-hand side of the Nongpo town is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because there is no other place to shift those utility which is already in existence. And then number two, some portion of drain is left on 26 plus 450 to 26 plus 735 right-hand side at Nongpo, just in front of the Deputy Commissioner's office. Again, we have problem due to the utility shifting. Then next, culvert at CH 29 plus 255 left-hand side could not be started again due to land problem, where the landowner seems they are not willing even to touch maybe 1 feet or 2 feet of that portion where the drainage construction is supposed to be taken up. So we have PHE pipes also in the culvert, where we already taken up, in fact, with the with the department concerned to shift the pipeline, which is stretching all over this drainage portion, supposed to be taken up by the Nahai through their respective contractors. However, sir,
Kakinhon jang ginong tre casual ka kwat ka khia Ribhoy District beratip kum ka Ribhoy Progressive Health Workers Union kinyai beteng ye kajing sha thangan jang ki nong tre belasngi ni casual labor dak ba kilarai ba kani kajing sha thangan balas dang minta kasngi balang ka khatsan tarik nailor arjar apway nadu ka porch pho baje min step hadu san baje janmit ka ba kitay ki casual labor ki baton hapo ka shatri jang ka Ribhoy Progressive Health Workers Union Kila pelong ya kani kajing ya ki bajai-jai nakadaw kajing sngap minthi bat kuman ka sorkar jilla lingba ka tanat ka kwat ka kya ban ithu no iki kum kinong tray bupura neki regularized worker hapo ka tanat kinong yalam kate ka union kila dawa na kapor sya kapor baka sorkar kan pentre kam no ya ka Meghalaya Regular Casual Worker Scheme 1996 ka bakat kum kate ka scheme kitu ki bala tam ya ka post nem tam ha ka kam casual ki day hok ban yo ya kate ka scheme ya kajing shat ngan en beteng biang lasai ka khan retorik nailor ban man lagas ngi ningkong jong gatayo lada ka sorkar kam pentre kam ya kate scheme shakitu ki bedei hok jong ki casual ki blatrei palat ka post nem kumba ka dei ban long
jong nakalang jong ngaru ngasawan ubur dengan dawa halor jong kane ka ba ikong ila ong menta ila pendi ge baro ini jisya kane kam dei gastin ka menengkong bat kadai ru gastin ka ba yangi tingi yo I bagasin ka banengkong kampoy sono kat kum kajing temu ka jong ikum di kisual herokar jong Ribhoy dan rem ngimbang se menta ban jam sasisin pat ban penkan mau ya ka sorkar ka jongi ngan ai luksa khendiat habaga kmi kanang ban khai khun ka don kam em ban ai bunyi lada ka kmi kam ai bunyi so thu ba ikhun iniap tengi ki kisual Ribhoy ka long kum tatik haba pinang ban tung yangi pidon kamban ai ka bam ka di yangi ban penbit penbiang yangi lemdang umta ngen sayap kamtam kumbangi yo mat hau news nem bakadon kan ka jik pangkobit telada kambiang ka jing siu nangi kamut ba ha kiliang ka jing trei kam jongiru katut nadong sedong tenre ka jing kmi lenti jong ka sorkar bat ki health ki senior officer kamut ba ngingim dai ban trei watang sisiru tenre nang nong inyo bai kali watang ka bai bam yalde rungim yo Kamtam gi khun ngila don gi khun gi ti ngila ya trai khatsan arpeusnem ngala don arpeusnem makan terikam. Dan rehadu menta ka sukar kampat jubab bat kamle RUM ya kene ke jing dawa jongi. Tekum ta ngaru ngapen kan mau halor jong kene ba kumbang yo iya ka skim ka ba hat khandai pun riu. Hajing sia ka sarkar kala dai ban penterikam no. Kenang ba mengiki ke soal herukar ngisuk ban yai lenting ngisuk nginsan. Ban ngila ban trihok ya ka jong ka kamram jongi lara ka sarkar ka itu bat ka penterikam no ya kene ka jing dawa jongi kum casual health worker urim hoy.
Hadin ka jingsha set yap uba che thank you haying sa jungu ha ka step perngap jong ka khatlai tarik unailar arjar apwe lemi ka sur kinong maulai bandawai ka jing bishar hok pat ka jing penstam ye kitu ki badon kti ha ka jing net khandra bat set yap yu uba che kat banang ya ki por layu i ka jing yasno kti lang jong ki parado parasnam na keleng ki jaka bat district beper ka jilla lingba ki sur babon bandawa na ka sarkar ye ka jing senchar hok ka bakhoj bat banwan ra ya ka hok na ka benta ka mensim bala klat no jong i ba che hinni kasngi da ka wei ka jing mut kini ki seng bat ki sur beper kelay lum lang sashi sin ban pinmi tang ka wei ka sur na ka benta bandawa ya ka jing bishar ka bakhoj bat basuba halor ka jing siat yap jong ki pulit ye uba che Kilarai ban pelong lang da kawe kasur kabriu nyau trap ringkat kasur kinong maulai ban net aya ka dor khas chu menteri rang ba ka jela ban dawa sospon ye ki he pulit badon kti ban siat yap yo ba che
Makanya sisa kan kam simpan kata jung khot petang si kolong baik ba kini kisur befer nagi distrik kiwa ban ai jung kersian yang sur dong mulai tenda la koi hang dia ki ong ba ladap sia ki tang ma fi dong mulai kemudian ke sarkar kan dong sngam ke kenang ba ban pen snow ya kini ka jung long kuman jung sarkar ki ai jung mun ban thau da kini ka sur jung bri nyutrap kenang ba ka sarkar kan hap ban le en dak le ki ro ban nyutrap mari lagi ke ki jung ke sur dong mulai ke balong constitutionally rei kim patiau ke dakaba giwan pat ini giwe gi district lagi district beper na try la daki ki brok we ka district jogubri new trap kemudian sagan hi ki empat ke government panship ke rai ki india cha constitutionally ada ke sarkar kam segam tingin sampai kai beri bela in sampai in session na committee yang saya perkat ki bagi di bela Umar berapa di distrik bertanya dan, buat ni inang welcome suruh ya isur beper ki bendang ni nang isipat, bani join bani sim bertalang isur.
Kajanta Students Union Sengkmi Lingba ke Education Cell hapo kajingya lamu Education Secretary samlai Edi ke Potam kalalit ikendo iki sahib sarkar ke bedekmi ik jaka pule hapo West Janta Hills hadin babon ki khana pule ki banik long ying ke bedok nakeleng kerilum Janta kilawan ot wan nam shakaseng namar kajing bamyo class ban pule hapo ki jaka pule sarkar kum hapo kyang nangba Government College Government Boys High Secondary School but Government Girls High Secondary School Nakaliang kaseng kilali ikendo markmat bat ki principal kini ki jaka pule balashem bakaba kalong kaba shisha ban pediang ya baro ki kena pule de ki hajar ngut namar ki kamra class kilong ki bam da he bat mla ban pediang lod ik kena pule kaseng GSU ka ajing mut rusha ka sarkar balade ban pin kala lani ban pelong no da school step but school mate ye ki class 11 but class 12 khamta mi ka art stream namar khambon ki khna ki badu class ki deina ka art stream namar kalong ka balle no ye ka school building lada en pelong class tang minsngi but lada pin kala school step but mate ha ka ju ka jaka pule kan wan ra jingmen toy but play lat ik khna pule ki badu lat but do lenti
sisok ka jingpa suki ye gini ki metrik hakaba hakajing sisa ngidei ban facilitate yakini ki kena hendai kala long ban kum ka jing pendo jing kermen yaki hakum kani kapor ka long ru ka jing lara sarkar kamla banyarap man pendrung school yakini ki kena nomor ba ka deru kapor ka ba kala akhir ka jingyo jingkot jing kena ban lit pha sagi weipat ki jaka sagi weipat ki jela dan ni sagi weipat ki than bagian ai ki kita ki jing start jing kuliah hakum kani kapor kajing nila lap hi da ki jong ki khaman katno kajing song si ba kajing yam kajing ot jong ki kimi ki khpa ki ba yo i ba ki khon jong ki ba sem ba ki khon jong ki kimla so ban beteng ki jing pule jong ki hakum gani kapor ka dei ba sarkar ka dei ban sumkhya ban le nomor ba tang ha kyang nombak kole su keba ngila alet ban yo kendo itip ba kumba arhajar ngot kiba apply admission hoto tamba kim yo ya kata gajing kim don lat diki bakin yo nomor ba capacity jong ka kyang nombak kade tang praspa ngot but sekiwe we ki college su kade tang kendiat ngot te kumno ngin la ban yo ya kane gi pendok ya kani ka jingsam stom jong gini kena ingkwa baga sarkar kan wat lat nanti dah ba kan sim meeting ya bro kini ki principal jong gini government high secondary school ringkat baga department jong ka district education DSO nomor ba ngikwa ru hapo ars ngi bagan nagaliang education cell jong ka giant students nyen ngilom bagi ai por ars ngi yang sarkar bagan sim ya kata meeting bangin yo ban perkat ban penyo admission yang gini kena kumba kanyo spa tam gi bampat dan jika ban let sunu nomor ba hakani kapor sunu kin let lada ngim simkya ya kum gini kapor tingi kwa bak sakar kepenun kam ya gini gi infrastructure gi pula adon lupa kum government boys government girls high secondary school ba du akyam nomba lada ngila ban pen kelas haki day shift nagi morning shift bat ka night shift evening shift ya gini gi school nomor ba mitrai balada ka sarkar kedon gemon kan la hiban penlong ya kane bot ngimku aru bagi kena school bagi
Bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poi shikabakut tat hadu bangin desham biang kublai shibon.